Hello everyone, welcome to Insights into Your Being. We all have heard about benefits of meditation, how it brings peace and calm to us. Today we are going to sit together in meditation. Meditation is something that cannot be achieved. It has to happen, and to make it happen, there are a few simple devices which can help in doing that. The yogis want us to sit erect, keeping the spine erect, on the simple principle that when the body is in a state of equilibrium, it feels weightless. And so it is important to sit in an upright posture. The next step is to watch your own breathing. Become one with the breath through the nostrils, flowing into the lungs, and out of the lungs, out through the nostrils. Now, try to listen to the breath. You may start by making just a little sound while breathing in and out, but that sound must fade away. With it, the mind also will go in. Go within. Go within and keep doing that until you hear the inner silence. At this stage, you may associate your mantra or affirmation with the breathing. When you hear the inner silence, you hear your own mantra or affirmation in that inner silence. If you learn to repeat your mantra with the ingoing and outgoing of the breath, then a rhythm is established and the rhythm goes on. You are not conscious of repeating the mantra mentally, but of listening to the mantra. This is very important. There is no effort at all. We are listening to the mantra that goes on, that our breath seems to repeat. Side by side, visualize the divine presence, the consciousness. You can do so in any manner you like. Whatever the divine presence appears to you, whatever it is for you, let it be in the region of your heart. Let this divine presence expand and fill your whole physical being so that you begin to feel that it is not me, but God, the Supreme, the consciousness that exists here. There is no I, but only consciousness here. The divine presence is not confined to this body. It is infinite and it overflows this physical being, enveloping this room where I'm sitting, enveloping this world, enveloping this whole solar system, reaching out to the very limits of the universe and beyond. As you go on in this manner, the consciousness becomes aware of the sound of the mantra that you are repeating and becomes aware of the divine presence. Your mind, your heart, your ego, your entire inner being gets merged into this cosmic consciousness. Whenever there is an intruding thought, let it come, let it go. Be rooted in this cosmic consciousness. If the inner awareness seems to have been totally disturbed, start all over again with watching the breath. This practice on a regular basis will eventually lead you into meditation. It will bring you peace and calm. And when you are in a state of peace and calm, you gain immense clarity of thought. It helps you dive deeper into finding the root cause of all the disturbances. It makes it easy for you to then work on them. If you liked this audio, do share it with people you feel may benefit. Thank you for listening with so much patience. Love yourself.